So last video we discussed linked list, right? This video will discuss doubly linked. There's a very minor difference between linked list and doubly linked list. Actually, it's singly linked list and doubly linked list. In singly linked list, we have data and we have a reference to the next node, right? 20, 25, then we say, then let's say none, right? Doubly linked list, we will have two references in each node. So 21 points to the next node, 23. 23 will also point to its previous node. 25 will also point to its previous node. 26 is also its previous. So having two references makes insertion, deletion, or accessibility more efficient than having just one node pointing from one then having just one reference pointing from one node to the other, right? So having two references makes linked list operations more efficient, right? So let's implement this in Python. So class node object, have to initialize it inside self comma value, self dot value equals to value, next node equals to none, and self dot previous node is equals to none. So we'll have two references here. Let's see how it goes. A is equals to node 98, B is equals to node 65, C is equals to node 43, D is equals to node 32, right? So if I have to link them, A dot next node equals to B and B dot previous node equals to A. This is A dot next node value. Yep, it prints the value of B, right? B dot previous node dot value equals to, prints. We can link all the other nodes. B dot next node dot value, B dot next node equals to C, and C dot previous node equals to B, and C dot next node equals to B, and D dot previous node equals to C, right? Great. And at last D dot next node, because it's the last node, it should point to. So let's start from D. So D dot previous node dot previous node dot previous node dot value. What it should print? The value of A, because D dot previous node is C, C dot previous node is B, B dot previous node is A dot value 98, which was the value for A, right? So that's how doubly linked list works. Let's say if I want to remove B, so it's quite simple. I just need to point A dot next node equals to C and C dot previous node equals to. So if I type A dot next node, it should give me the value of C. So to delete a node, to remove a node from a linked list, all we need to do is just change the references to the node we want, right? So that's how we insert and remove nodes and in a doubly linked list. So in case you have any doubts or suggestions, please leave a comment and subscribe to this channel for more videos on programming.